What do you think you are, huh? You think you're a cute little b-girl?
Guten Morgen. It's our last trip out of Germany, the last day. Actually, no, we're leaving Germany. So, Auf Wiedersehen, Deutschland. And we're going to be hopping onto a train to
Zurich.
We're going to be heading over to
RE3 nach Saarbrücken Hauptbahnhof über Frankfurt Flughafen Regionalbahnhof. Abfahrt von Gleis 9, direkt gegenüber.
Yeah, so we're going to Zurich.
Your next connection, RE3 to Saarbrücken Hauptbahnhof.
Alright, good morning guys.
Good morning.
Guten Morgen.
Guten Morgen.
We're finally leaving. Morgen. We are finally leaving Germany. It's been fun, but Auf Wiedersehen, Deutschland, and we're heading to Zurich. In Switzerland. Yes. The next country on our European adventure, guys. So we're gonna be taking a 5-hour train, whatever, 4.5 hour, 5-hour train to Zurich, and we'll spend a few days over there. Actually, spend 1 day in Zurich and 1 day in Luzern. So looking forward to eating a whole lot of We made it to Zurich after a delayed train and trains. We made it.
We get 20% off.
25%
of refund.
Yeah, because the train was delayed for about 60 minutes, so we get a refund of up to 25%. But we were able just to get that next train going from Basel to Zurich, so
yeah,
all worked out.
Also, we lost 30 minutes.
Yeah, not a big deal. Yeah, so now we're here. We're gonna go explore a little bit, meet a friend for dinner, but we're gonna go walk to the old town right now. So far so good, weather's nice. So here we are, I think we're arriving at the old town. It looks like an old town.
Yes.
Very European. Looks a lot like Prague, with the old town charm. And I'm sure there's gonna be cobblestone roads or sidewalks. So pretty, oh look, a Starbucks. You know why? Love the station. Alright, we're inside the train station where we're gonna meet a friend. So we're just gonna killing some time right now. So we're just looking around a little bit. Nice train station. A lot of shopping. What is that? Piggyback. Rubber ducky. Why is everything red?
Guess how much?
5 francs.
6 francs.
Wow.
9.50.
Everything. I love watches,
I want this.
but I bet it's expensive.
It's too expensive.
Yeah, everything in Switzerland is expensive, so we might blow our budget in like. Good thing we're only here for 2 nights. Oh, alright, we're going to the discount shop. But I bet you, even though it's discounted, it's still pretty expensive. What are you drinking?
7-Up grapefruit. So good.
Never had that before. How's it taste like?
Grapefruit.
Wow, amazing! Give it one good gulp and go. Yeah. Could you imagine we're here for a few days? It's so expensive. It's pretty good stuff. Gazosa, which is I guess some Swiss drinks. Oh, a signal? No. Pressure. Clean. Alright, so we're here in Zurich. It's actually very late. It's almost 10 o'clock.
The old town is over there.
We're in the old town. Here's the river that comes from the lake. So tomorrow morning we'll try to go to the lake. You know,
over there is the financial district.
over there's the financial district, and we've got the train station over here back behind us. So we just had some dinner. Thank you to
my friends.
for Swiss friends. Yeah, so it was a really nice time. Got to catch up, and then tomorrow morning we'll have a full day of, not really a full day, half a day of exploring Zurich. Probably check out the old town, and maybe go to the lake itself.
Yeah.
Before we head over to Lucerne, right? Shower, go to sleep. But yeah, so no, so far so good. Very expensive though, really, really expensive. But it's a nice town, at least the old town. So the way the water here tastes really, not just drinkable, it tastes really good.
Yeah.
Like I mean, I think the only other water tastes is,
you know, in Europe, it's not drinkable.
it's not drinkable.
Here, it's amazing water.
I think it's because to do with the lake, you know, it's really naturally filtered, but there's no taste. There's literally no taste. It's still very, very clean water. So anyway, are we gonna...
I could feel my skin is good.
Yeah, it's good when you're taking a shower. You can really feel how clean it is. Alright guys, so I guess with that said, we're gonna say goodnight. And I think we're gonna just call it an early night because we're gonna try to get early tomorrow and explore Zurich before we have to leave. Alright guys, so with that said, good night.
Good night.